Hello kids, let's learn easy addition together. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. Great job, kids!